Welcome to our next session with Djji Tutorials. Today we are covering factoring trinomials and the difference of two squares. What you're solving for is factoring a quadratic expression in the form x squared plus bx plus c, where a is not 0. What's given in the problem is a quadratic expression, x squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Helpful information factoring is the reverse process of expanding. The goal is to rewrite the quadratic expression as a product of two binomials. How to solve: find two numbers that multiply to AC and add up to B, then rewrite the middle term and factor by grouping. Step 1. Find two numbers. M multiplied by n equals a times c. M plus n equals b. Step 2. Rewrite the middle term. X squared plus bx plus c equals x squared plus mx plus nx plus c. Step 3. Factor by grouping. X squared plus mx plus nx plus c equals x squared plus mx plus nx plus c. Factor out the greatest common factor, or GCF, from each group. Step 4. Write the factored form. If the GCF is the same for both groups, combine the terms. The result will be in the form px plus q rx plus s. Solution: the factored form of the quadratic expression x squared plus bx plus c is px plus q rx plus s. What you're solving for is factoring the expression a squared x squared minus b squared y squared. What's given in the problem is the expression a squared x squared minus b squared y squared, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Here's some helpful information. The difference of squares formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Now let's talk about how to solve this. First, apply the difference of squares formula. Step 1 is to recognize that a squared x squared is the same as x squared, and b squared y squared is the same as bi squared. Then apply the difference of squares formula. Finally, the solution. The factored form of the expression is x plus bi times x minus bi,